The growing demand for mechanical keyboards reflects how users crave precision, responsiveness, and durability, qualities that also define great golf accessories. Just as typists and gamers look for comfort and performance, golfers value reliable gear that enhances convenience, control.
List number 1. Asica Magnetic Golf Cart Phone Holder compatible with MagSafe iPhone. Sleek, secure, and course-ready. The Asica Magnetic Golf Cart Phone Holder brings the power of MagSafe convenience to the golf course. Designed for iPhone users, it combines strong magnetic attachment with a sturdy metal base that locks securely onto any golf cart frame, ensuring your phone stays stable while you play. This holder uses N52 grade magnets, capable of holding your device firmly even on bumpy fairways. Its minimalist design complements modern golf carts, while the silicone surface padding protects your phone from scratches. The simple snap-on mechanism makes mounting your phone effortless. You can rotate it 360 degrees for optimal viewing, whether you're tracking your score, checking GPS distances, or filming your swing.
List number 2. Tributary Brands Golf Push Cart Cup Holder compatible with Click Gear. Smart hydration on the go. The Tributary Brands Golf Push Cart Cup Holder is a small but mighty accessory that keeps hydration within easy reach. Compatible with Click Gear, Rovic, and other push cart brands, it's a durable, universal addition that makes every round smoother and more enjoyable. Constructed from high-strength ABS plastic, this cup holder resists cracking and fading even under intense sunlight. The flexible arm design ensures a snug fit, keeping drinks stable while you walk the course. The adjustable mounting bracket fits securely onto most pushcart frames, ensuring zero wobble. Its generous size accommodates water bottles, sports drinks, or even large insulated tumblers, ideal for long days outdoors.
List number 3. Duhao Case Golf Cart Phone Mount Holder for iPhone, Galaxy, or Google Pixel. Universal, shock-proof stability. The Duhao Case Golf Cart Phone Mount Holder is built for golfers who use GPS tracking, scoring apps, or record their swings. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel devices, it offers universal usability and exceptional stability on uneven terrain. Featuring a dual lock mechanism, this mount combines a heavy-duty clamp with a shock-absorbing cradle. It stays firm on your golf cart handle or frame, preventing shaking during rough rides. A flexible ball joint allows complete rotation, letting you switch between landscape and portrait modes effortlessly. Ideal for reviewing yardages or monitoring shot stats mid-round. The silicone-lined cradle protects your phone from scratches and absorbs vibration, ensuring it stays secure without slipping. Fits most phone sizes, even with protective cases.
List number 4. Hather Universal Golf Cart Key Set, 8 replacement keys for easy go, practical and reliable backup. The Hather Universal Golf Cart Key Set is a must-have for anyone who drives or manages multiple golf carts. This pack includes 8 replacement keys compatible with Easy Go and several other major golf cart brands, ensuring you're never left stranded again. Each key is precision cut to fit various ignition systems, making them ideal for golf courses, rental operations, or fleet managers. The sturdy metal construction resists wear and bending. Convenience. Compact and easy to store in your golf bag or glove compartment, these keys provide reliable backups for emergencies. Whether you misplace your original key or need extras for multiple users, this set saves time and frustration. Made from high-strength steel, each key is built to handle daily use. The clearly marked labels help identify each key type quickly. A simple but essential purchase for anyone operating golf carts regularly. The Hather Universal Key Set is affordable, durable, and ensures peace of mind. No more downtime or lost playtime over missing keys.
List number 5. CaddyTech Caddy Lite Easy V8 Golf Push Cart. Effortless mobility and foldable design. The CaddyTech Caddy Lite Easy V8 is a top-rated golf push cart that blends durability, portability, and smooth handling.
Ideal for walking golfers, it helps reduce fatigue while offering convenient storage for your gear. Built from lightweight aluminum, the Easy V8 is strong yet easy to maneuver. Its one-click folding mechanism collapses the cart compactly in seconds, perfect for transport or storage. Performance. Equipped with 3 large EVA wheels, it glides smoothly on all terrains. The front wheel alignment system keeps it straight, while the ergonomic handle with multiple height settings ensures comfort for users of any height. The built-in umbrella holder, beverage compartment, and mesh storage make it a feature-packed companion on the course. The foot brake provides safety when parking on slopes. If you prefer walking the course, the Caddytech Caddylight Easy V8 offers a perfect mix of comfort, convenience, and performance. Its quick fold design, durable build, and thoughtful accessories make it one of the best golf push carts available today.